Hello, my friends. How are you doing today? It is Thursday afternoon here in very beautiful, rainy Southwest Ontario. I love it. I love the rain, except when I'm driving. Anyway, I hope you're all doing well. I wanted to show you some sweet little goodies that I recently picked up from these guys. Papercrafter's Workshop. There you go. Again, it's nothing I needed. It's just some stuff I wanted. And like I said, when I get a few new goodies, it kind of revs up my mojo. So why not, right? Let me go through. First, I'll show you my delicious little Werther's candies they gave. Fantastic. I'm not sharing those. And then I'll get right into it. I am the kind of person who likes stuff that's not brand new, and I'm talking 2006, guys. My God, my daughter was born then. But these were dirt cheap, and I grabbed myself 2 packs. It's a bright green, but if you use them backwards, it's white, so I love them. So I got 2 of those cute little doodlebug paper frills. A lot of this stuff was on sale. Some stuff was regular. What is this? This is Fancy Pants. And it's hard to see. Oh, vitamin C. There it is behind all that goodness. So some cute die cuts there. That'll be fun to play with. And then I got Photo Play Camp Happy Bear. These colors are so rich and beautiful. I love them. So I know I've mentioned before, we don't camp. But I still haven't finished the multiple pages of my daughter's trip to a camp with her school a couple years ago. So that'll be for that, and then they'll be gone. This is adorable. More photo play stuff. It is called, what's it called? Builder. What do I always say to my American friends? Isn't that insane? I know, and it pains me to no end. And there you go. That's what's in the back. These are just cute. I still have stuff to do of my little guy when he was small. So that's that. Enamel Dots. I pick them up every once in a while, even though I say I'm not going to because I do have Nouveau drops. But my Nouveau drops don't turn out like this. They look more like Hershey Kisses, like little plops. So I like someone to have made them for me, and that's why I get Enamel Dots. Then I picked up these on sale, Jelly Bean alphabet stickers, pink diagonal. To be honest, they looked better. Oops, sorry, there's some layouts back there. They looked better online, but they're cute. I grabbed 2 of them for $5. What is it, $2.50 each? They're not bad. They're actually quite cute, but they looked nicer in real online. Anyway, I will use them. Then I grabbed this green because I realized when I was doing some Christmas layouts, I don't have like a Christmassy green. So I grabbed that Pink Fresh, and it is called Puffy Alpha Sticker Happy Blooms. Very cute. Nice and thin. They're adorable. And these are, I guess these are newer. So these are 2021. And then I thought I had these, the white foam stickers, the warm white, but I guess I don't. I thought I had every single color. So now I think I have every single color. This is warm white. I prefer stark white. This is more of a cream, but I think you can also color these up. I'm going to look into that. That'll be a good thing. Then I totally do not need paper. Like, come on, seriously. When I show you one day how much I have, you'll see that I'm just like you. We're all nuts about paper. I have too much. But look at this. This is so cute. This is Cute and Crafty from Doodlebug. Look at that. I will never be Vicky Booten. I will never be my friend Kathy who does mixed media. I don't enjoy it. I don't enjoy how it looks when I try it. So I would rather have someone do it for me. And this is so cute. So I bought 2 sheets of that. I just love it for so many reasons. And Magical Birthday Echo Park. I didn't buy it for this side. I bought it because I love me those wonky little polka dots. So that's what I got it for. It's adorable. And then, quite frankly, I don't know why I ordered this. This is a dog's tail from Echo Park, and it's so not my style. What did I buy this for? I really don't know. Because those are not things I would use. Maybe I thought it was something different online. Whatever, it was not very expensive, but I don't like it. And I usually like everything Echo Park does, but I don't know. I really don't like it. So we'll see. That might end up being somebody's gift. This is Echo Park Summertime. I like most of the stuff on here. I mean, it's hard to use every bit up. I don't ever have anything where I love every single bit that I can recall. So if I use up the majority, that's good. This thing is cute. I bought this for when Kathy and I took the kids to a safari last year. So that's going to be for that. Just cute little critters. I don't mind that. That one's cute. And then, what are these? Oh, yeah. Collections that were on sale for $11.50, which in Canada, here, can you see that? In Canada, that is a deal, really. I know you guys get them much cheaper in the States, but when I see something for this price, I clap. I get excited. So this is, what is this? The Wildlife Echo Park. Cute papers. I can use this also for my daughter's little outdoor adventure. And then I've had this one before and I've used much of it. So I got another one. Bark by Echo Park. Very cute. I love these letters. And that's more my style than that first one I showed you. That thing's not for me. And then Photo Play. This was also $11.50. Photo Play Bunny Trail. Adorable. Very, very, very cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Look at those sweet colors and sweet bunnies. I love it. And then another Photo Play for $11.50. Birthday Girl Wishes. These colors are truly awesome. Look at that. They just make me happy looking at it. Really cute. Let me flip it. Ah, this is cute. Cute little icons and stuff. Very nice. And is this the last? That's all I bought. Anyway, this one was, what is that? $12.50. Used to be $20. And this is the Cake Smash kit from Fancy Pants. Is it Fancy Pants? Yeah. And I have several of these things loose. But when I saw the whole thing, I had to have it. Because look how cute that is. I love the size of these numbers. That is perfect. Look at, they're so chunky, so big. There's my finger. Look how big they are. There's my scratches. Hey, this is totally gross, isn't it? I was gardening the other day, just yanking out some weeds while I was watching my cats outside. And I broke into hives in like a matter of 30 seconds. My allergies to certain things outdoors are crazy. So, of course, instead of taking a Benadryl or an allergy pill or just leaving it, I started scratching. That's what happened. Gross. Anyhow, guys, that's it for me today. Short and sweet. I hope you like all my goodies. And in a couple of days, I'll have some layouts to show you once I get a little more organized here again. So thanks for always stopping by. I appreciate you guys so much, and I wish you a lovely day. Take care. Ciao for now.